Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is? Well, you're not alone. Cryptocurrency is a term that's been buzzing around in recent years. But what does it really mean? Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional forms of money, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized system known as blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent manner. And cryptography? That's the complex method ensuring the privacy and integrity of these transactions. So, how does it all work? Cryptocurrencies operate on a network of computers called nodes. These nodes validate and verify transactions through a process known as mining. Miners, or the individuals and organizations running these nodes, solve complex mathematical problems to confirm transactions and add them to the blockchain. Once a transaction is confirmed, it becomes a block in the blockchain, creating a permanent, unchangeable record. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique purpose and technology. Some of the most well-known include Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps, and Ripple, which aims to revolutionize cross-border transactions. To use cryptocurrency, you need a digital wallet. These wallets can be either software-based or hardware devices, and they securely store your private keys, which are used to access and manage your digital assets. It's crucial to choose a trustworthy wallet and follow best security practices to protect your cryptocurrencies from theft or hacking. Cryptocurrencies come with their own set of benefits and risks. They offer fast and low-cost transactions, enhanced privacy, and the potential for investment opportunities. However, they can also be volatile, and there's always a risk of losing your investment. It's crucial to do your research and proceed with caution. In summary, cryptocurrency is a complex yet fascinating world. It's a digital or virtual currency that operates on a decentralized blockchain system. It works through a network of computers that validate and verify transactions, and there are thousands of different types available. To use it, you need a digital wallet, and while there are many benefits, it's important to understand the risks involved. This is a rapidly evolving field, so stay curious and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.